So I am back with a new surface that I haven't used yet. It's not new, but it's new to me. So this is one of our Odette 6 by 18 inch boards. So it's the same type of surface as our boutique boards. So you can, take your image off of it, but it's white instead of black. When I first saw them, I actually thought it was enamel. That's the kind of look it has until I touched it and realized it's basically a white chalkboard. So I've had this transfer I've wanted to use on one of these, and I thought, why not do it today? So I've wanted to use our transfer called Christmas Street, and it's got let's see, let me look at it here. Reindeer Lane, Jingle Bell Way, and North Pole Boulevard. So today we're going to use the North Pole Boulevard. And I want to make this, I think this is a really elegant kind of board. So I want to make it pretty simple. I forgot to get one of my pastes out. So I don't want a lot going on it. And like I said, I haven't used this shape of our board yet, so I kind of want to keep it pretty simple. So, what my plan is to put the North Pole Boulevard, I don't know why I'm having trouble saying that, across here kind of toward the right, so I won't be centering it, and then I'm going to put the North Pole, get it? The North Pole down at this end in red. So that is my plan. So I haven't used this transfer yet, so we're gonna go ahead and fuzz it. Hold on, I got glitter all over my towel because I've been making messes in here with glitter, but I'm having fun and I need to wash this. But that's okay, we're gonna just go with it today. So I got my North Pole here, and it's not, like super duper like sticky, but it's sticky enough that I don't want my transfer to get damaged when I go to remove it. So just want to get a few fuzzies on there. Okay, and then I'm going to take this. Oops, I was just using twine, and it's got some little twine fibers. I tell you, when you get anything going on around here, it sticks to everything. I still have some twine fibers that I've got to take care of right here. Okay. So let's make sure that my words are going straight, and I want to push them down pretty close to the far end. It does not look. Let me look at this. It's a little crooked. Probably not going to be able to fix it too much, but you know me. A little bit. I gotta try. We'll see if I don't even know if I moved it, but okay. Also, when you have one of these boards, something very important is to make sure that your hangers are the right direction, because that would be a major bummer if you did this adorable little sign and then you did it like upside down or something. So that would be a bummer. So this is set. So I'm going to take my black paste and one of my big squeegees. Oh, I got plenty on there, that's for sure. And I'm just going to do, oh, then I wiped too much off. That's me. And then I'm going to just squeegee my black across my words. And with this font, once again, because it's what I like, it should be super crisp and just crisp and, I don't know, crisp. I'm trying to come up with words that I don't know. It just should be really crisp lettering. And that's really what I like. If I am going to do anything, I like the letters to be just really crisp, and then I can do my embellishments differently, but I really like the letters to be crisp. So We'll peel it from this end since it's already lifted. Oops, I have to wash my hands. No, I don't know if you can see on camera how it's a little bit bled just a little bit, but that is so easy to fix. So easy. I must have had a little air bubble right there that I didn't see. All right, so I'm going to put this back on its backer sheet before I end up with even more black. Look at that all over. So put that in my little water bucket. Let me get a little towel here. My little towel is even getting messy, so let's see if I can get everything off of my fingers and not put more on them. So what I will do when this is dry is I'll go back in that area around that O with a Q-tip. So I'm going to hit it with my heat gun for a second. You don't need a heat gun. A hairdryer is fine. Hairdryer is probably better. But I'm going to do this really quick, and then we'll be back and fix that and finish the sign up because we're almost done already. Okay. So it's all dry. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to fix that little O. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little water on my table just to, because it's plastic and I can. And I've got one of these pointy like cosmetic Q-tip things. I think they call them Whispers or something like that. And I'm going to just go in and clean up. I need to turn this so that I'm coming out at the right angle for me. Clean up that. I'm gonna dry one now. I want that line. You know me and my precise lines on my letters. We were just talking about this. So clean that up just so that it's pretty. Okay. Alrighty, so now we're set. We're all set with that. So I'm going to set those aside in case I make another little boo-boo or anything. And then we're going to take our North Pole. Could also be a little candy cane strip. It's going to kind of look like that when we're done. Because I'm going to do it red and white. Well, red with the white background. So I'm just fuzzing this. And then I'm going to put it across here. And I can already tell you it's not as straight as I want it to be. So push that down. Get that just all the way into the little crevice there. Okay. Gosh, I'm sorry if I hope I'm not putting my head in the view there, but I'm sorry if I did. Okay, so then we're going to take our red and we're going to just squeegee down this. I'm thinking I might add one more little thing to this because I think it would be cute. So we'll see what it looks like when we get this done. But we shall see. Okay, so there is our little North Pole. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, I love that. I do, I love it. But I do want to add this other little thing, so bear with me here for a second while I dig out a different paste, because I was going back and forth on this, and then I talked myself out of it, but now I want to do it. So, hold on. Let me grab my bark paste. It's hiding from me, so hold on. What is that? No, that is not bark. That is teal. That is nothing like bark. So let's see here. I got them all stacked in my drawer, but it'll probably be the last one I touch, or it's just gonna flat out hide from me. So bear with me here. That's Poppy. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is. Huh, imagine that. It was with the other browns. Shocking idea. So, let's get this one out and give it a stir. It's in pretty good shape. Give it a good stir. See it? So this is just kind of a chocolate brown. All right, so that one is ready to go. And I want to put this little reindeer on here. I think it's cute. So we're going to put him on there. So I think we're going to put him right here, like he's jumping over the boulevard words. I think it'll be cute. We'll see. And here's the beauty. If we get it on there and we don't like it, we just wash it off. And it's not a big deal. Goes on and off very easily. And then that's all there is to it. Oh no, I like it. I think it's really cute. So, I know you're going to be surprised, but I'm actually not going to put a bow on this. I'm going to just leave this as it is, because not everybody loves bows. I do, and I just can't believe people don't, but not everybody loves bows. So, I'm going to just leave this because I actually think it's really cute. So, yeah, once again, just a simple little project. And then when you get tired of it, you just take it off and, little twine thing, and put a Valentine's or an everyday or whatever image on it. And it will be really, really cute. So, I'm sorry about my horrible lighting. It is what it is right now. As I'm still figuring out this little new craft room, and we'll see what I change and, how it all goes. But just a really simple, classic looking, crisp looking little sign. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will get notified when I put up new videos. And I hope you like it. And as always, any of my stuff that I make is for sale, so let me know if any of it interests you. But I'm just really glad you joined me today, and I want to be able to give you some ideas for some decorations for your home. So have a super great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Alrighty, bye-bye.